Let us see your study.
You wanna see a study? I'll show you how Sophie studies. Sayang, sana you saw kanina.
What?
The way you're having your tantrums.
What's something?
Sampo.
What?
When you don't like to study and then you're acting strange. Yeah, like that. When you're acting like a kid. And like that, there. You see that? You see that? I'll show it to you. There.
Teacher.
She's not like my student. She's like my patient.
I'm your student.
Then you act like a student.
Yeah.
Okay?
No.
Behave. Don't be noisy. Everyone can see you. Just see? See, she's not my student. She's my patient.
She's so sweet.
And me, I am a doctor.
She's so sweet.
I am so mean. So mean. And she's
You
so
are
mean.
so sweet.
Yes, I know.
Hello.
Hello. See? This is the way we study. So, this is what we do first. Before she will answer her work. Or she will do this until our time ends. And then she won't study anymore. See? That's my patient. I mean student.
I'm not your patient.
Okay, let's do our work now.
I don't like.
Come on, we have 12 more problems to solve.
You solve na lang by yourself.
I don't like. I like I'm solving with you.
I don't like.
You don't
I
like.
want just you to solve.
Cannot be. That's your homework.
No.
And then on the test you're going to say, Teacher, I think I'm going to fail.
I'm always failing.
Yeah, this time, no. This time I'm your tutor and I don't want you to fail.
I want myself to fail.
Sige. You're in video, I'm going to tell that to everyone. Hello, people of the world. Spice up your life. Okay?
I'm hungry.
Why don't you get food?
Do you want tae?
No?
Everybody, do you like tae? Yeah!
No!
Yeah, here.
Yuck!
Ah!
Ew, that's so mean. Ew! Yuck!
Do you want cotton candy?
There, that looks a little bit more like cotton candy.
Do you like cotton candy?
No!
You want cotton candy or what?
No! I don't want anything!
Why?
I just want to solve math problems.
Who are you?
I'm your teacher.
You're not my teacher.
Oh yeah, I'm your doctor and you're my patient.
You're not my doctor.
Yes.
Do you want cotton candy?
There, I don't want cotton candy.
You want or
Come
not?
on, let's solve. It's almost time. I still have to walk.
Okay, you eat this while walking.
No, I don't like.
Everybody eat. Bon appetit.
Yeah.
I really eat.
Ew.
Okay, bye-bye. See you next time.